You know, I love hot cocoa just as much as the next guy. So I thought, why not turn it into a cookie? Every year on Christmas morning, we have hot cocoa in my house. And it's something that I always look forward to because of the chocolatiness, the creaminess, the marshmallows. I'll admit, I'm really just there for the marshmallows. What can I say? So my thought was, why not make a chocolate cookie with the same kind of chocolate that I use for hot cocoa, add chocolate chips so they're all nice and melty, then add the marshmallows, and then just for fun, dip it in chocolate. Oh yes, my friends, that's what we're making today. So let's get to it. Let's get these little cutie hot cocoa cookies going, okay? So, I love this recipe, super simple, just like all my other cookie recipes. We're gonna get everything except for our flour and the chocolate chips and the marshmallows into the bowl to cream. I cream it on medium speed for about 2 minutes. Want it to be lighter in color and a little bit fluffy. A little fluffy, like a little fluffy pillow. Maybe not like a pillow, that's a bad analogy, but you know what I mean. If you've made cookies before, you kind of know what I mean. Okay, so once we've got that going, you want to get your flour in and go ahead and mix it on low speed. You just want to get it combined. You don't want to over mix it. You get that mixed in there, and then you can fold in, or using your mixer on low speed, the mini marshmallows, mini chocolate chips, and then the dough is ready to scoop. So I usually wait until I finish mixing my dough and then pop my oven onto 275 degrees Fahrenheit, because by the time I'm scooping, portioning out the dough, the oven is preheated. So I'm using a number 50 cookie scoop, and this is like my go-to. I love this cookie scoop. It works for so many different things. If you don't have it, just portion the dough into 12 even balls. If you are using a number 50 cookie scoop, it's 2 scoops per cookie. So you can evenly space them onto your parchment or nonstick baking mat lined sheet pan, and then pop these bad boys into the oven. Now the chocolate cookies is a little bit trickier when you're checking them for doneness because, well, they're dark in color, so you know, it's just a little tough. But what I like to look for is that the center of the cookie is not shiny. You don't look at the chocolate chips. Look at the cookie dough itself. Chocolate chips are going to be shiny, but the cookie dough itself should be nice and matte. Let them cool. Just let them hang out. You know, if you're in a hurry, pop them to the refrigerator. Do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do, boo. Okay? And then we're gonna take some more of those mini chocolate chips and melt them down. Now you can do this in the microwave, but I choose to do it in a bowl set over a small saucepan of simmering water. I find that there's less of a chance of the chocolate getting scorched, because we don't want that. We don't want to waste any chocolate, because you know, chocolate's expensive. So let's not waste any. Melt it carefully. Once it's melted, you can go ahead and take your cookies, dip the bottoms into the chocolate, give them a little shake, just a little shake to shake off that excess, and put them right back onto your sheet tray. You want to get them all dipped on the bottom, and then you can pop it back into the fridge. If you are in a hurry, I like to put them in the fridge because I like that little crisp snap of the chocolate when you bite into it, you know what I'm saying? Because this is not tempered chocolate, okay? I mean, this is like just melted and put on the cookies. Nobody has time for tempering chocolate, okay? This is for home use. You know, if you want to temper chocolate, then do your thing, but that's not this, okay? So, refrigerator, okay, yeah. You know what I love about these cookies? They're really easy to make, and you totally get your hot cocoa fix. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you try it out, do let me know down in the comments what you think. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do consider and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I come out with a new vegan baking episode. And also check out some other stuff over here that I've got, you know, because it's fun, I guess. All right, guys, take care.